All right. This is chapter 3 review for geometry. I am going to tell you one thing about chapter 4. You'll have to know the proofs on page 154. I would go back, rework those proofs on page 154. You have to study for geometry, ladies and gentlemen. It is not like Algebra 2. It's not. Or Algebra 1, rather. Y'all haven't had Algebra 2? You don't know how Algebra 2 is.
What page?
154. The proofs. All right, now let's go to page 123, chapter 3. I just lost a place where I needed to tell you. It goes straight. Page 114. 26 through 33 on page 114. 26 through 33. You really have to understand those, yes.
You said the proofs on 154?
Correct.
Yes.
That's homework.
Correct. That would be correct. There are proofs. There's proof 27, 30, 31, 32, and 33. Those are all proofs. I would know how to work a proof. Practice makes progress. Not perfection, but progress. All right? All right, now I'm on page 123.
On page 114, you want us to...
26 through, did I say 33? Yes, I did.
Okay.
Understand those. 26 through 33. Yeah,
One-
you have to know those. You have got to know for this chapter all the different types of angles. This was all about those different types of angles. Vertical angles, linear pair, supplementary, complementary. Perpendicular lines. We've just gone through a lot of that. You've got to understand all the different angles and how sides can be related, all right? You have to know those two theorems on page 123, the betweenness of points and the betweenness of rays. You have to know them verbatim. In fact, all of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. I have circled in my book. You have to know all of them. Bottom of page 123. All right. Everybody with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's go to 48. Problem 48 on page 128. All right, so this one was all about the angles, right? We use those angles and the sides to be able to work our proofs. So 48 is a proof. It is an indirect proof. What are our three options for proving triangles? We're not proving triangles here, but what are they?
ASA.
Yep.
SAS.
Yep.
SSS.
SSS, ASA, SAS. Got it? Those are our three options. All right, so look at these statements. Given each angle whose vertex is at O, so it's the image on the top of that first column, each angle whose vertex is O has a measure of 109.5 degrees. That is given. Prove that angles AOB and BOC cannot be a linear pair. If they cannot be a linear pair, and this is an indirect proof, then what is the first assumption, Mary Frances? Suppose what? Suppose angles AOB and BOC are a linear pair. That would be your first assumption. Suppose those two angles are a linear pair. Got it? All right, now we're going to get the Y's. Micah, you're with me. Angles AOB and BOC are supplementary. Why?
Because they
does it say anywhere that they equal 180? I don't see any place that it
No,
says. So we can't use that reasoning.
They both, I don't know.
Beckett, I see you thinking. What did we just say? Suppose
They
AOB and BOC are
are linear
a linear pair. That's what we said. Why can I say BOC and AOB are supplementary? Angles in a linear pair are supplementary. Yes, good job. Angles in a linear pair are supplementary. All right, now, Karis, why can I say angle AOB plus BOC equals 180 degrees?
because they are supplementary. No, because
It has something to do with that,
um,
but I can't just say because they are supplementary.
but no,
Mm-mm.
no, cool, no. Is it because they are a linear pair? They have to equal 180?
Probably wouldn't take that. It's pretty close. What do you
Is
think?
there
Sorry.
Because angles in a linear pair that are supplementary equal to 180 degrees.
What do you mean? They equal 180 degrees. They equal them individually?
No, they like added together equal 180.
The sum of
the
supplementary angles
Equal.
is 180 degrees. That's my reasoning. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
The sum of supplementary angles is 180 degrees. I said they're supplementary. Why can I then add them and set them equal to 180? Because the sum of supplementary angles is 180 degrees. Now, this Lydia. Why can what does that contradict?
Because 109.5 plus 109.5 does not equal 180.
Correct. That's right. The sum of those angles does not equal 180. Therefore, Josiah, our assumption is false, and what conclusion follows?
That AOB and BS are not a linear pair.
They're not linear pairs. That is correct. All right. Let's go back to 45 and let's work 45. It also is a proof. All right. It says copy and complete the following proof. Given, you see the given statement. Everybody see the given statement?
yes.
Okay, very good. David, why can I say angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals 360 degrees and all of the angles in the figure are equal?
Why can't you?
Why can I say that? Yes.
Why can?
Why can I?
You
That
can-
first statement.
You can say it
Because my reason is
because it's given.
given. That is correct.
Can we just put down given, or do we have to put down?
Given. Given.
Only put down the reasons.
Yes, that's it. Given. One is given. You want to do number 2? All right, angle 1 plus angle 1 plus angle 1 is 360. So 3 times angle 1 is 360. Why?
Substitution and I guess multiplication.
Okay, I would say substitution and simplification.
I forgot about that one.
You're simplifying. I would say substitution. Really, you don't have to say substitution. Because the first statement is the same as the second statement. One is just a simplification of the other. So substitution would be the answer. All right, Lily in the front. So 6 times angle 1 equals what? What would it equal? 720 degrees. Why? Multiplication would be the reasoning. All right, so what is the measure, the sum of the measures in a triangle? What are the sum of the measures of the angles inside a triangle? 180. What are the sum of the measures of the angles in a quadrilateral? So, what about a pentagon?
720.
Nope.
Not quite
Ooh,
yet.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Yeah. I'm talking about the interior angles. These are
440.
140,
440.
440,
540.
540. It's 540.
Oh, that's what I meant.
How'd you get there? How did
Adding
added what?
the 180 and 360.
Okay. What's the sum of the angles here? What's this 6-sided figure called?
I just know the
Hexagon.
Hexagon. What's the sum of the angles?
720.
Okay. So now, what is the sum of the angles in a 10 gon?
Pentagon.
1,000. My picture is. Ow.
Okay. I got it. Does anybody know?
Oh, you just did that.
I had to do the math.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
What is it?
Well, I'm still thinking.
1,340. 1,340.
Okay, you're so
No.
close. You forgot to carry something.
I did. 1,440.
It's 1,440.
Can you
I
Good
can.
job, Josiah.
So three-sided is 180. For every additional side, what are we adding?
180.
180. So there's 7 additional sides.
Oh.
So I multiply 180 times 7.
0, 6, 5, 14. Wait. Why did I get?
Wait, then why is the answer 100?
That's first.
Got it?
Why are you adding another 180? If you already
That's the
multiplied
pattern.
it.
Well, because to start with 3, we have 180.
Yes.
Adding a 4th side adds another 180.
Yes.
Adding a 5th side has another 180. So I take 3 out of this because that 3
And
is the
it's 7.
180. And then I have 7, and every one of those sides adds 180 degrees.
Yes, but you already multiplied it by 180, so why?
No, I multiplied this. Okay, let's go to a 4-sided. Here we go. 4-sided. Okay, we're just going to use the same. So 4-sided.
Yes.
We take 3 out because that's 180 degrees.
Yes.
Then we take what's left, multiply it by 180, and we add it to get.
360.
Got it?
Will that be on the test?
It's something you should know. It's not on the test, but it's something you should know. All right, that's the point. That's the point, really, of this 6 times angle 1. All right. right, let's go back to number 37. Your homework is 36 to 39. And so actually, let's go back to
On what
36. 126. Let's start with 36. And then I'll stop videoing after 36. All right. It says complete the proof. Here's what's given. We have SFT, FTH, and ST equals FH. All right. That's all that's given. There's no image. All right. We're proving SF equals TH. Why can I say number 1, David?
I have a question.
Okay, what's your question?
Can we finish 45? We started it. and
We
then-
did. We finished it.
We said the first one. We said it was given and then that was it.
No. The second one we said substitution. The third one we said multiplication. Lily answered the last one. Okay. So why, Karis? Can we say
Because it's given.
it's given? All right, Beckett, help me fill this in. Okay, y'all, this is a great proof right here. Beckett, number 2, why can I, well, you have to help me finish the statements. SF plus FT equals what? Correct? And FT plus TH equals Y? Between us of points, yes. That is between us of points. Bob, yeah.
Kids Bob. They're kind of outrageous.
Got it?
Don't ask why I know.
All right. Lydia over here, why can I say ST equals FH? It's easier than you think. Yes, Lily. It's given. I know. I told you it's easier than you think. Okay. Now, Josiah, why can I say number 4? SF plus FT equals FT plus TH. Well, it's not addition because on one side in number 3 we have ST, on the other side we have FH. There's no FH in number 4. There's no ST either.
It's not very reflexive, is it? I mean, they're all equal.
It's not reflexive. Lydia T, you want to help him?
Phone a friend.
Yes. What is it? Well, now you're not. Now you're doubting.
No, SF equals. Oh,
F.
never mind.
No. SF plus FT equals FT plus TH. Other Lydia.
Isn't it like the between us of points? Because given it's ST equals FH and then SF plus FT.
It's not between us a point.
Oh wait.
Between us a point says it's substitution.
That's what I put.
It's substitution.
Why wouldn't
Why
you
did you
do
say it?
Because I doubted myself.
Stop it.
Stop.
Okay.
You're not allowed.
Beckett. 5. What's going to be the next statement? SF equals TH. Why? Say that. It's not substitution.
Whoa.
What, Micah? It's subtraction. They subtracted FT from both sides.